Hello and welcome. It's Sweety here. I hope you're having a nice day. Craftyscrappers has mirror stamping as its theme for its July challenge. I'll be doing 3 videos showing you 3 different ways to do mirror stamping. For this first technique, I'm using the swirls from Hello Stamp set. This set has only solid images and it is great for the type of stamping that we are going to do today. Solid images mean that we won't have to do coloring. So if you're feeling lazy, this is a great way to make quick pretty card. Okay, so this technique involves creating designs on each corner of the cardstock. The designs you get this way are mirror images of each other. You can do this by using an acrylic block also, but for a perfect mirror image, a stamping tool works best. So for this we stamp the image on one corner. I do it twice to get a more bright impression, but you can do it just once. Once we get the image in one corner, we flip the cardstock and stamp it again, and you can see how the two images mirror each other. You can see the names of the inks used on your screen. I apologize for so much movement in my camera. I have tried to keep it minimal. Anyways, I'm working with green and yellow color palette, but really these swirls are pretty versatile and they will work with pinks and purples or red color tones just fine. I am cleaning the stamp immediately after use. So even though I'm using one image at a time, you can definitely use more than one image at a time. But I did not know what design I was going to work with next. Maybe if I recreate this card, I would work with multiple images at once. Right now, I just felt like filling up the corner with images. Once that was done, I wanted to add some elegance by bringing in gold embossing powder. But the inks that I'm working with are mostly Versamark inks. Versamark inks do not dry quickly. So before I used my embossing ink, I needed to make sure that all the images are dry. Otherwise, the embossing powder will stick everywhere. So I heat my panel with this heat tool, and now I'm going to stamp it with Versamark ink. I'm working with gold embossing powder here. This is Wow gold embossing powder. But really silver embossing powder will also look good with this. The focus of this video is on the technique. So this is how you can do mirror stamping. I created this card and this is the final card, and the sentiments are also from the same stamp set. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for stopping by.